Myself Maheshwari Krishnakumar, Assistant Professor, Dr. SNS College of Education, Coimbatore. Today we are going to see a module about role of a biology teacher. So biology is a very basic, needy subject for the development of professionals like medicine and then other paramedical courses and all. And then we are providing NEET exam to easily enter into the medical courses. So as a biology teachers, what is our role is it is important starting from the 9th standard itself. From the early stage, from 3rd standard, the biology is given as general science, that is said to be as environmental science. Other than that, from 6th standard, the subdivisions are divided, the branches of the science are divided, and it is given as botany and zoology. From 9th standard, they are learning about the detailed stage of the biological science studies that will relate to our medicine field. So what is the main role of the biology teachers? As we, the teacher educators, we are molding our student teachers to handle that medical professionals. So they must be a subject matter expert first. That is, they must be rich in their content knowledge. For example, they need to teach the heart, structure of heart. They doesn't mean that they just explain how the structure of heart is, how the structure of lung is. So they must explain clearly about how it is working and in what way it is working, and they need to provide the they must make the students to feel about the realistic situation. And then they need to give the lifetime examples too. If we are behaving like this, our blood pressure starts increasing. What is happening in the heart valves, we need to explain clearly in the lively manner. And second one is they need to have the research skills. For example, if a teacher educator handles the session excellently towards their student teachers, the student teachers surely analyze their teacher skills, their educator skills, and carry over to their students. So the research skills must develop among our students to handle the future students. And third one is pedagogy and professionalism. They need to be rich in their pedagogical knowledge, and they need to be professional always. The professionalism is very important based on their subject content knowledge and delivery of the content, and method of teaching is very important while delivering each and every content. So we need to handle each and every session differently so that the student can understand the concepts easily. And then they must be sincere and they must know about purpose of teaching. Why they need to teach that particular content for the particular class. We need to identify what purpose and sincerity they must be followed while teaching their content. And then the studies, all the studies are important, but we need to differentiate which one we need to give more importance and which one we need to give least importance. Those studies should be learned based on the priority, that the teacher should clear it with the students so that the students can take it in an active way. And then good communicator, that is very important. Whatever subject content and the knowledge we are having, we must carry it correctly with proper communication. Otherwise the students are not able to get the proper knowledge or proper content knowledge. So the teacher must be a good communicator, sharing their own ideas and also the content ideas clearly to the student. And then the teacher must always be a plain speaker. Don't compare the students with others. Each student has its own knowledge. Based on their knowledge, based on that particular knowledge, we need to mold that particular students in an effective way. So as a biology teachers, as we are the biology educators and the biology teachers, we must be proud, and we are only making the higher professionals, and we take our responsibility to give our content effectively, innovatively, to mold involved the medical professionals and also the nursing and the paramedical students. Thank you.